Watershed management. Overview. Rivers originate in streams that flow down mountains and hills slopes. A group of small streams flow down hillsides to meet large streams in the valley, which forms the branches of major rivers. The management of a single unit of land with its water drainage system is called watershed management. It is a technique that has several components. This includes soil and water management and developing vegetate cover, the natural drainage patterns of a watershed unit, if managed appropriately, can bring about local prosperity by a year round abundance of water that improves the quality of human life in the area. Definition. Watershed management is a term used to describe the process of implementing land use practices and water management practices to protect and improve the quality of the water and other natural resources within a watershed by managing the use of those land and water resources in a comprehensive manner. Principles of watershed management. First, this is a land management program that looks at a region from the perspective of all its water related issues. Second, it can be used to manage a river from its source to its termination. 3. Watershed management would also consider the management of single valley as a unit based on its small streams. 4. Saving water from its local source by allowing it to infiltrate into ground by check dams instead of allowing it to run off rapidly along the surface during the monsoon is a major aspect of good watershed management. Five, this allows underground aquifers to fill so that groundwater is recharged. 6. Deforestation is a major cause of poor water supply. 7. Afforestation. Such recharged area is an important aspect of watershed management. Four core principles. 1. watersheds are natural system that we can work with. Second, watershed management is continuous and needs a multidisciplinary approach. Three, a watershed management framework supports partnering using sound science, taking well-planned actions and achieving results. Four, a flexible approach is always needed. Benefits of the watershed management. One, it provides a context for integration using practical, tangible management units that people understand. Focusing on coordinating efforts, finding common ground, and meeting multiple needs. Two, it provides a better understanding and appreciation of nature. Understanding nature in retreated processes, helping answer the question, what are we trying to protect? Linking human activities to nature's response. Appreciating how nature's processes can benefit people. Identifying ways we can work with watershed processes. Three, it yields better management, generating ecological based, innovative, cost effective solutions, duplicating stronger working relationship, supporting consistent, continuous management. Thank you. Have a nice day.